Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today we are going to see about the topic exercise 1.1 class 12 mathematics. Question number 1. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We have already studied about reflexive, symmetric and transitive. If you not seen, check in introduction class. Okay. Question number 1. Relation R in the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 14. Okay. R equal to condition set x, y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. Okay. Let us see. Question number 1. Condition set A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 13, 14. Okay. Relation R equal to x, y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. Okay. Now applying if x equal to 1. Okay. 3, 1 minus y equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 3. Okay. If x equal to 2, 3 into 2 minus y equal to 0. Therefore 3 2s are 6. Therefore y equal to 6. Okay. If x equal to 3, 3 into 3 minus y equal to 0. Therefore 3 3s are 9. 9 minus y equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 9. Next, if x equal to 4, 3 into 4 minus y equal to 0. Therefore 3 4s are 12 minus y equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 12. Therefore the required ordered pair A into A equal to first one 1, 3. Here first value is x, second value is y. Next x equal to 2, for y 6, x 3, y 9, x 4, y 12. Okay, this is our ordered pair. Okay, we have to check the conditions reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, for reflexive, every element of A is belongs to capital A. Okay, here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, up to 14, 14 it should be belongs to relation. Okay, but here 1, 1, 2, 2 up to 14, 14 not belongs to R. Okay, not belongs to R मतलब reflexive relation not satisfied. Therefore not a reflexive relation. Okay, next, symmetric. Here first one, here it is A, B, here B and C. Okay, A, B, 1 comma 3 belongs to R, but 3 comma 1 not belongs to R. Therefore it is not symmetric relation. ठीक है, next, transitive. For checking transitive, AB, okay, and BC belongs to R. AB 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 9 belongs to R. Here it is A, here B. This is here B and C. Therefore AC 1 comma 9 not belongs to R. Therefore it is not transitive relation. ठीक है, therefore finally it is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. ठीक है, second subdivision. Now subdivision 2. Relation are in the set n. N मतलब natural number defined as R equal to set x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5 and x less than 4. This condition is very important. Okay, now we can see set n natural number starts from 1 comma 2 comma 3 here because x less than 4. Okay, x less than 4 matlab you have to take the value less than 4 here. Natural number starts from 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, you should not take 4. Okay, next, y equal to x plus 5. ठीक है, if x equal to 1, therefore y equal to 1 plus 5 equal to 6. ठीक है, if x equal to 2, y equal to 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Next, if x equal to 3, y equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. ठीक है, now the required ordered pair here 1 comma 6. Next 2 comma 7. Last 3 comma 8. Okay, this is our ordered pair. From this we have to check reflexive, symmetric and transitive. You have to check these three conditions. Condition number 1, reflexive. Reflexive का मतलब in set n 1 2 3, okay, for every element of A belongs to capital A. Here n belongs to capital N, but here 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3 not belongs to R. Therefore it is not reflexive relation. ठीक है. Next condition 2. Condition 2 का मतलब symmetric. Symmetric. Here 1 comma 6, okay, AB 1 comma 6, here it is belongs to R, okay, A and B, but B comma A 6 comma 1 is not belongs to R. Okay, therefore it is not symmetric relation. ठीक है. Last transitive. For checking transitive, here it is A comma B. ठीक है. Here it is A comma B. Here last one A comma B. Okay, there is no comparison for B comma C. Therefore here 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, last 3 comma 8 belongs to R. Therefore it is transitive relation. ठीक है. Here you should write neither reflexive nor symmetric, but here it satisfies transitive relation. Therefore transitive relation. ठीक है. Okay. Next subdivision 3. Relation R in set A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, condition relation R equal to set x comma y such that y is divisible by x. Okay, you have to check whether it is divisible by x or not. Okay, here you draw the graph, you can understand easier. Set A, again A, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है. Here again 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have to check y is divisible by x. Therefore the required ordered pair is 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 is divisible by x and y. Okay, here 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, last 6 comma 6. Next, here y is divisible matlab second 1 comma 2, here 2 is should be in the numerator and 1 should be in the denominator. Okay, now it is divisible, therefore answer is 2. Here it is satisfied. Next, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, because 1 is divisible by every number. Okay, next 2 comma 4, matlab 4 is in the numerator, 2 is in denominator. If you cancel 2, therefore it is divisible. 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, last 3 comma 6. Here 6 is in the numerator, 3 in denominator. If you cancel again, it is 2. Here it is divisible. Okay, this is our required ordered pair. Now you have to check all the 3 conditions. First condition, reflexive relation. Reflexive relation का मतलब in set A, before you have to graph complete it. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, last 6 comma 6. ठीक है. Next 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, here 3 comma 6. Okay, for reflexive you have to check in set A 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Every element of A is related to capital A. See here. Here it is present. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, last 6 comma 6. Every element of A is related to capital A. Therefore, A equal to B. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 up to 6 comma 6 is present in our ordered pair. Therefore, it is belongs to R. Here, reflexive relation satisfied. Okay. Next, symmetric relation you have to check. For symmetric, 1 comma 2. Here 1 comma 2 is present. Here it is A, B. A comma B is there, but belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R. Therefore, it is not a symmetric relation. Okay. Last condition, transitive. Transitive here AB. Okay. AB, B, C. AB 1 comma 2, BC 2 comma 6, okay, belongs to R, and 1 comma 6 also belongs to R, okay. Here it's satisfied. Next you have to check. Here it is for every term you have to check. Here it is A, here B, here B, here it is C. Therefore A comma B 1 comma 3, 3 comma 6 belongs to R. Therefore 1 comma 6 means A comma C here belongs to R. Okay. Therefore it is transitive relation. Okay. Finally you have to write here it is satisfied reflexive comma transitive but not symmetric. Okay. Here symmetric is not satisfied. Okay. Subdivision 4. See here relation are in the set Z का मतलब integers. Okay. Condition given R equal to set x comma y such that x minus y is an integer. Z equal to minus infinity, minus 1, 0, comma 1 up to plus infinity. Here minus infinity to plus infinity, if you take any two element, for example x equal to 1, y equal to 2, if you subtract x minus y, 1 minus 2, if you subtract again you will get minus 1. Minus 1 is again an integer. Therefore here it is an integer. So that for condition we have to check reflexive 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 up to plus infinity to comma infinity. Here minus infinity to minus infinity. Therefore here it is satisfied reflexive condition, reflexive relation. Okay. Next symmetric 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Therefore 2 comma 1 also belongs to R because 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Again 1 is an integer. Okay. Therefore it is here it is satisfying. therefore it is symmetric relation. ठीक है. Last, transitive. 1, 2 belongs to R. 2, 4 belongs to R. Here it is A, B. Here it is B, C. Therefore A, B, B, C are there. Therefore AC 1, 4 belongs to R. If you subtract it, 1 minus 4, you will get minus 3. Minus 3 again it is an integer. Therefore here it is satisfied transitive relation. Here finally you have tried reflexive, symmetric, transitive. ठीक है.